Hello everyone, this is Jordan from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Pavoni professional with us in the shop. This is the one with the wood finishing both on the lid, steam knob, handle, and the handle of the portafilter. And all we did on this machine was a complete tune-up, which was where we replaced all the gaskets, both group head, lid, steam assembly, also a new sight glass, new gaskets on the sight glass, and a new sight glass plastic frame. And yeah, and after that, the machine had originally come in because it wasn't turning on. When we took off the original switch, there was a lot of burnt parts, as you can see on those electrical connections. They're not even chrome anymore. So we had to replace those, but we did. And now we're here. And so we're going to brew a shot real quick by just putting this portafilter in, sliding it to the side all the way, putting a little shot glass in there. We're going to pull all the way up. When we get to the top, we're going to let a little bit of that water kind of get there for a few seconds. And then with even pressure all the way through, we're going to try to brew. Now don't worry if it runs a little too slow or fast. I didn't weigh my beans or anything like that. You are wanting specific grammage for these shots. Also, you're wanting really specific fineness. These machines do call for a little bit more of a finer grind than traditional espresso. As you can see, I put a little bit too much ground beans, but that's perfectly fine. We're just wanting to test it. And then I could take it out and test it without the portafilter also. And that's it. It's not too bad of a shot. Now we're going to let it sit there for a little bit while the pressure in the group head actually diminishes, because it doesn't know where to go because there's no valve. But we're just going to run the steam on real quick just to try it. And as you can see, working quite well. That's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.